Hi, and welcome to the all-new Jatango 2022. We will show you how to register as a seller so you can use all the tools and take advantage of all the features and how this works. So first thing we'll do is get you registered. So if you're already registered, you can log in. If not, you could just sign up as a seller right here. And through here, um, it's also the same process if you're signing up as a buyer. So I'm going to put in our new email address. I'm going to enter my password. Let me redo that. And this should create the account fairly easily. It brings you to a landing page where you want to click on My Account. And this brings you to the main inside the Jatango website. We will make this look prettier and have some more information in the future. But for right now, this is your landing page. And if you want to now, if you're a buyer, this is where you stop. You don't have to become a seller. From here, you can go back to any show link you want to, and you could sign in and start buying products. But as a seller, you want to click on Become a Seller, and this is where you set up your payments so we know how to pay you. So I'm going to click on this Become a Seller. And before you get started, I'll tell you how this works. Jatango charges 5% of your sale, and 2.9% plus 30 cents on each transaction goes to the payment processor. So there's a total of 7.9% plus 30 cents on the transaction, which is standard in the industry. So you're not charged any monthly fees. You don't have to worry about that. And you don't have to put no credit card in. We actually take our money right off the top if you sell something. So it's that easy. And if you sign up now in the next, I think it's 90 days before the app comes out, there will not be any monthly fees. There will be some upgraded fees starting in March with the new app, but you guys will be grandfathered in at this point if you get started. So I recommend signing up now. So we're gonna give this a test. We'll call this test 2 for my shop. Click on Get Started. I just named my shop. Now there you would name your shop, whatever you want to call it. And here you got to enter your business information. Mine's in the system already, so it'll pop up. And so all my information, my email, phone number, address, and put the address of your business or where you're shipping from. So this is important here. Really important is this little checkbox here. It says this is a registered business. Now only check this box if you have a valid EIN number in front of you that you can enter the information. Otherwise, you will not be able to go any further. So for right now, for these purposes, I will leave it blank. You can too. And you can just sign up as an individual if you want. And so when I click this, it signs me up as an individual. And that's what we'll do for the purpose of this demonstration. And this will bring us to the main landing page, which is inside the Jatango, where you have your menu bar, which is your orders page, your products page. If I click it, it's just be empty. There's no products in there. This plus sign is where you create products and create show links. This is your show page where you'll have all your links in here. And that's your home page showing you how to get started. That's the one you landed on. And what's important about this page is that it shows you there's only 3 steps. 1, you set up your payments, which we'll do right now. 2, when you're done with that, you can start uploading your products. And once you have your products uploaded, you can go live and start selling immediately. You can create show links instantly. So it's very fast, very easy. So let's get set up immediately. So I'm going to set up payments. I'm going to add my business information. And this will load here. And we'll put my name in, my last name. My email is already pre-filled out for me. I just hit continue. It'll bring me to an information page. It already has my address preloaded. We pre-filled this out for you with your information so you don't have to. But what you will notice, and everybody will get this, is this little orange information required soon. Actually, it's required immediately. So what we recommend is, because everybody will get this, click on the pencil, enter your birth date, and I will lie about my age. Oops. And we will enter, last four of your social, and click submit. And watch the bottom of the screen here. It will say verifying. This is very important. Once it verifies, you are set to go. Let's see, we'll be able to enter our banking information. Boom, it says verified. Now, even though you got the orange message here, required soon, it's not needed because if you press this again, it will just ask you for a driver's license picture, but you don't need it at this point. So you are verified. It shows right here. Make sure you see verified. And then click submit. It will ask us for our banking information. Because I'm set up as an individual, it's already set. If I was set up as a business, it would probably be set to company already. But I'm an individual, so we'll enter this information. And my account number, which is just a sample here. Obviously, you would enter your routing number and account number. And keep in mind, when you sell an item, this is the bank account and bank account that the money will go to. So wherever you want your money to go to, that's the information you enter. No money's ever taken out. We're always putting money in. This is where it goes. So click on attach bank account. And you're done. You're completely done with your setup. Your bank account is attached. If you want to update your bank account, you could click here. That's why it says update. Only if you want to. If you want to change information in there. But it has all the information now. Now you can start creating products. That's step number 2. If you look back at the home page, it will tell you step 1 is manage payments, 2 is add products, and then 3, create shows. So we want to add product. You could click here, but I'm going to just take you to the products page, show you there's no products, and it says right here, click here to add a product. So we'll click here, click on create product, and I will walk you through the process of creating a product. We're going to add a picture. And we got Kim here from a beautiful sale. I think she did 50% off sale one time. So we'll add that in. We're going to put this as test 2. We'll give it a category. And be accurate on your categories. Take your time, learn them. You could go through them. You'll see the subcategories. For right now, I'm just going to click home and living, click other for the purpose of this demonstration. I'm going to call this test 2 as well. And show you how easy it is to set up your first product. Price. This is the price of your product. So I'm going to call it $25 for right now. Retail price is what it sells for in the stores. So say it sells for $60. What that means is when you have yours listed at $25, people will see the 60 with a line through it showing it's crossed out and you have it discounted. So the retail price is the store price, and this is your price. Remember that. You have to weigh your products. So this next tab, it's already set to pounds, but you could change it. Well, for the purpose of this demonstration, we'll say that this item weighs 1 pound. But you do have to weigh your items. Get a little scale. They're not too expensive. Next is this little block. It's not labeled, but we are labeling it soon. This is your cost. So whatever you paid for this item, you're selling for $25. So say we paid $5. We will enter it here. And keep this in mind. Nobody will ever see this except you. It's private. It's for your own records. If you want to do a report in the app that comes out soon, you'll actually do reports to see how much you made. So this is private information, but it's good to have to keep track of what you're doing. Quantity in stock, we're going to say we have 10. And this is a max customer. You could change this if it's just so nobody, if you had 100 pieces and somebody wanted to come in and just lock up all hundreds, nobody else can get them. We could prevent that by just limiting people to 10. Barcode. If you have a barcode on your product, you could click in here, scan it, and it will pop right in with a Bluetooth scanner. And if you don't have, or you could just enter it. And if you don't have one, leave it blank. Same thing with SKU. If you don't have a SKU number, it's okay to leave blank for now. If you do have a SKU, you can enter it here. And what's important about the barcode in the future, in the near future, you'll be able to, if you don't have a barcode, we will create one for you. You could print it. And if you wanted to scan your products in during a live show, you're able to do that. So I'm going to click next. And this is preset for my shipping. It automatically sets the default. And taxes, we know if something's taxable or not. in each state, and we collect taxes on your behalf. We pay the taxes for you. So this is huge for all you business people out there. You do not have to worry about taxes. Jatango will collect the taxes, sales tax, and we submit them to the state on your behalf. We're the remitter, and you'll get a form at the end of the year showing that all the taxes that were paid on your behalf. So this is huge. It just takes all the stress out of business for you guys. That's it. You created your product. If you see the step line up here, click publish, and your product is in. And if you want to edit this product, all you have to do is click on it. Come in here, make a change. We'll change 10 to 11. And then you don't have to hit no save button. Just click on X, and it will automatically change to 11 in stock instantaneously. It's an auto save. So you have your first product. So if I go to shows, I don't have no show stuff, but if I go back to products tab, I will see my product in here, and I can edit it by just clicking on it. So now we want to actually create our first show link. These are the links you share on social media or on text between friends or whatever you want to do. So you click on the arrow, click on create show. All you have to do is give it a name. We're going to call it test 2. And it creates the URL for us. We hit create show, and you've just created your first show link. If you click on it, it opens up. This is where you copy it, but you notice there's no products in here, but it says here to add products to your show. You can either scan them in once the scanner is set up for you guys, and you could call our help desk, and I'll leave the number at the end of the show to work that out, or just click on the plus sign. It opens up your products page, and just click on any product. If there was 10 here, you click on any one you want, and it adds it to that link. So if I were to click this, it says link copied. I could just go ahead and paste it right into an email, a text, or pin it on my Facebook Live. And when they open it, this product will be there with the price and a buy button. It's that simple. You guys are signed up within minutes, created your first product, and started selling immediately. There's not an easier system in the entire world to go live and sell products like there is with Jatango. If you have any questions, please call our help desk, which is area code 440-554-5304. Again, that's 440-534. Is it 554? Forgive me. 5304. Thank you, and have a great day.